An orchard. How about a vineyard? Right here on site. How about a beautifully county-maintained park and a brand spanking new clubhouse? These are just some of the amenities that you're going to be able to utilize living here in Williams Ranch in the picturesque hills of the Santa Clarita Valley. And I've got a gorgeous home to show you with over $63,000 worth of builder upgrades. I can't wait for you to see it. Let's go take a look. Like to see this home as much as I like showing it to you, give me a call. This is Tim Violette with the Nate Butcher Group.